My tripod stand. Yes. And my influencer lights. Then I also got this free gift from them. This is, what is this? I think this is a table. I think this is a table selfie stick or so, or table tripod stand, those short tripod stand. But I'm happy. This is free. I like free things. Oh my god. Ooh. Yeah. Kiss. Wait, no, now. You break it now. Hey, how do they open this thing? How do I? I'll work on this. Fix it. I'll figure it out. Oh my god. Let me see this light. Don't touch it. Bright! I think it has different color. Stop now. Bright! Hey, wait. I think this was a good buy for you. You can actually, if you don't like the color, maybe you want to use this RGB light. Okay, for instance, you want to change the color, you can change the color, or you can change the color. It came with different colors, like different colors. Okay, this is a good buy for real. I like my phone now. How do you expect me to carry you? Guys, this is a good buy. Give me before you go and break it. And then this one, let's see. Ring light store. Now do this one. No, people gave me this beautiful gift. How do I open this? Okay, so this is it. Stop now. I think this is a table. Table, is it table tripod or table selfie stick or something, I don't know, but how do I fix this now? Okay, let me fix this up. Now this is a tripod and also a selfie stick. I don't know. Let me see. I need to leave there. I need to figure out how to open this. Okay. I need to figure out how to open this. And it's very, very long. Like it's long. You can use it as a selfie stick like this, and you can also use it as a tripod stand. This is nice. This is nice. This thing is long. Like this is not even the highest. It's long. This is not even the highest it can go. I just can't get up. So This is nice for you. Boom! It was a good buy, and it has a Bluetooth shutter. That means if you want to take a selfie while filming and you don't need to take your phone, you just use the Bluetooth shutter to automatically take your selfie for you. So that's it, guys. This 2026, I just want to dedicate my time to content creation.